Ever wanted to design a parking layout quickly and still know which option fits the most cars? Welcome to this present trade tutorial on how to create a parking layout using ParkCAD. Now let's start. Here we have a piece of land and we want to design a parking layout inside it. Before starting the design, we first need to assign the boundary to a ParkCAD layer. Select the boundary and set its layer type to ParkCAD Physical. Now we're ready to start designing. Go to the ParkCAD tab, then click Lot Boundary. This opens the parking layout tools. The first section is Perimeter, which controls the parking along the outer boundary of the site. The second section is Interior, which controls the parking layout inside the site. Now the cursor is ready to select the boundary. Click the boundary of the land you want to design. Immediately, ParkCAD generates automatic parking layout options for this area. By default, the parking angle is 90 degrees. If you want to change it, simply click Change and choose a different angle. For example, we can try 45 degrees to see how it looks. But in many cases, 90 degrees provides more parking spaces. How do we know that? From the information panel here, which shows the exact number of parking spaces generated for the current design. Whenever you change the parking angle, this number updates automatically, allowing you to compare layouts easily. Next, we have the island options. For example, the end island option allows you to decide whether to place islands at the ends of parking rows. Now, let's look at the interior layout. Just like before, the default parking angle is 90 degrees, but you can change it if needed. You can also enable or disable the end island option here as well. As you move your mouse over the site, you'll notice that the direction of the parking rows changes automatically. This option here is Snap to Side. When it's enabled, ParkCAD limits the parking orientation to the main angles, so the parking aligns cleanly with the site. If you disable it, you can rotate the parking rows freely and choose any angle by simply moving the cursor. Now, instead of manually trying many different layouts to see which one fits the most cars, ParkCAD can calculate it for you automatically. Click Maximize Stall Count. A settings window will appear. In most cases, it's best to keep the default settings, as they usually produce the optimal result. Click OK and ParkCAD will analyze the site. After a few seconds, a window appears showing all possible layout solutions. In this example, we have two options, both giving a maximum of 220 parking spaces. You can click on each option to preview the layout directly in the drawing. Once you choose the layout you prefer, click Draw and Close. And here you have it. A fast way to generate and compare parking layouts and select the design that fits the maximum number of vehicles. Contact Present Trade today to get your free trial of ParkCAD and try it yourself.